Kapoor, Managing Information. Little friends, in this lesson, we learn about what is information management and how to do it. How can we write down the information properly, which we have about? By making different charts, or you can manage that information by making an organized structure. Let's see the months of the year and management of its dates. Now look, every managers were labeled with the months of a year. Let's write the number of days in the month. January, 31 days. February, 28 or 29 days. March, 31 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. In this way, we manage the information of months and dates. Now, get some information from the information management. There are 12 names of months in the picture. There are total 7 months of 31 days, 4 months of 30 days. The month of February is 28 or 29 days. In this way, you can manage different information.